Hi everyone. Hi everyone. My name is Rasha Tarek Awad Zubaidi, PhD in Linguistics. So today's lecture is called Introductory Lectures, located for second class students in English department. So the book assigned for this class is called Reading Skills for Lindali. So today I'll give you tips about how to read the book, about reading comprehension or reading skills. First of all, we have to look for the passage, the young woman changing the world. Look on the other side, chapter focus. So I'll give you here an examples how to read it. Making difference in the world. So this is belong to the passage young woman changing the world. We have to know what's the meaning of changing the world. Reading skill, making inferences, reading vocabulary, understanding suffixes. Yes. Before reading the passage, we have to make guessing about the passage by giving you some exercises. Reading vocabulary, we have by Jenny Engel. So women changing the world. So team, we have Carmina, Monica, then we have Stephanie Cohen, Maggie Dawn. Yes, at the bottom of the passage we have some vocabulary in the passage to focus on and to have to memorize in order to use it. Yes, comprehension after you have read the passage. Comprehension to make you how do you understand the passage. So for example, for each item below, fill in the correct circle, finding the main idea. So what is the main idea of the passage? Which of these sentences best expresses the main idea of the articles? So you have to choose which one is better understanding for the passage itself. The main idea, the understanding the pronoun references, you have to look at closely in the passage. Scanning for details, scanning even, for it, go scanning for details, vocabulary using in context. So this is very important exercise, using the context to guess the meaning of bold face. To guess, we have the main skills here. We have inference. So the socket captures energy from the kick, dribble and throw, and stores it for later use. So stores, which refer to loses, hold, share, design. When you read the passage, you will know the exact meaning or to guess the exact meaning of stores and then the others examples. Consider the issue. Working with partner to answer the question below. So here we have another activities. In what ways are the young people in the article similar? In what ways are they different? So you have to know that make a comparison with young people and to write some brief notes or paragraphs which to answer these questions. So we have another exercise regarding the suffixes. You have to know what is meant by suffixes. Understanding suffixes can help you to improve your reading comprehension. These special endings on words help you to know if a word is in a class of words, to know which class of words you have writing or reading. Noun, verbs, adjective or adverb. For example, the suffix ition at the end of the word education signals that it is a noun. The suffix iv at the end of the word expensive signals that it might be an adjective, and so on. We have to answer the exercise from the passage by looking at the words that ending according to the passage itself, and so on. Then we have reading skills, as we have told before. Reading skills making inference. What is meant by inference? An inference is a logical conclusion drawn from the evidence. So, look at the example here. Your friend is crying. Your friend might be sad. Your friend just got some bad news. You have to guess or to make inference. Your friend in the hospital. So what's going on in the hospital? Your friend is not well. Of course, your friend had an accident. So you have to guess according to the items or cues given before. Read, make inference as read as a text. Look at the facts, evidence in the text and draw conclusions. So this inference make you to think more critically about the word itself in order to guess the meaning of the passage. And we have also extra passage to apply what we have done before, what we have exercised before in the passage. Look at what does article say about shoe, chew, what are the facts? Yes, what can you infer from the facts? Look at the example. She doesn't earn a lot of money, yet she has given a lot of money to charity. What does that mean, giving money to charity? She is very generous. Yes, and so on. What the other examples below. So I hope my lectures will give you some tips how to read, reading skills, comprehensions. Thank you very much.